Hi students, welcome in my channel Yug Vignan and Tantrajnan. Today we are studying the practical number 3rd in Science and Technology part 2nd. Aim of this practical to study the reproductive system in hibiscus flower. This is a diagram of hibiscus flower. Students, see here the vegetative part of flowers. The vegetative part of flower consists of petals and sepals. Petals, this is bright in color because they attract bees, insects and birds. And sepals is the green color part beneath the petals to protect the rising birds. The second part, that is reproductive part. The reproductive parts of flower consist of stamen, pistil, stigma, style and ovary. Stamen, that is male reproductive organ, is known as androecium and it consists of anther and filaments. The second, pistil, this is the innermost part and the female reproductive organ of a flower. The pistil consists stigma, style and ovary. The stigma, it is the topmost part of receptive tips of carpel in the gynoecium of a flower. Style, it is long tube-like cylinder stalk that consists the stigma and ovary. And last one, the ovary, it is the ductless reproductive gland that hold a lot of ovules. It is part of the plants where the seed formation takes place. Let's start how the hibiscus flower is dissected. See here, this is a hibiscus flower. First of all, we introduce their part. This green-like part is called sepal. This colored part is called petals. And this part is androecium and this is a gynoecium. Firstly, see how only these hibiscus flower are studied. Because of only hibiscus flower is a typical flower which contain two types of word, that is essential word and these are the accessories word. This flower is a structural unit of sexual reproduction in plants. It is consist of four floral words as calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Arranged in sequence from outside to the inside. The androecium and gynoecium are called essential words because they perform the function of reproduction, and whereas these calyx and corolla are called accessories words because they are responsible for protection of inner these two essential worlds. The member of calyx are called the sepals and these sepals are green in colors, and this member of corolla are called petals because they are various in color. Let's start how the hibiscus flower is dissected. See here, firstly the outermost, the non-essential word these sepals are removed. See here and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 5 sepals, they radiating from the stem base of the flower. The structure of sepals is green in color and the function of the sepals to protect the petals inner side to the sepals. Next, the petals are removed. In hibiscus flower, the numbers of components are petals also 5. See here, observe and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See here, this is a androecium and this part is stigma. The stigma is a part of gynoecium. This petal is a bright color part that attract bees, insect and birds, and petal help us to differentiate one flower from the another flower. Next, see here, these are the androecium, and the androecium is male whorl and its member are called the stamens. See here, stamen structure is like a bean and it's responsible for producing the pollen grains. And see here, the stamens are many in numbers, like that hundreds. The anther sit on a long tube is called filaments. See here, these are the filaments. Next, see here, this is a gynoecium or pistil. The member of gynoecium are called the carpel or pistils. These may be separate or united, and its function it is to produce seed. The pistil consists of stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is present at the tip of the style, and stigma is where pollen is consist or collected. In the middle is the style. A halo style comes up from ovary. See here, and this is the section that the pollen travel down to the ovary, and this part is ovary is present at the basal end of each carpels. Ovary contain one or many ovules. After fertilization, the ovary develop to become the fruits and the ovules develop to the seed. See here, these are the parts of hibiscus flower. These are sepals or calyx. These are petals. Colored is also called corolla. These are the gynoecium, and this is the stigma, a part of androecium. Gynoecium. See here, stigma, style and ovary. This total part called the gynoecium, pistil or carpel. Now see here, conclusion is that the flower is the reproductive organs of plant. The male gamete from pollen grains and egg cell from ovules. These two haploid cells unite to form a diploid zygote, and thus the process of seed and fruit formation begin. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.